Assalamu alaikum everyone, myself Aksar John from Scholar Center Hanwara, trained by Riyaz English. Today my topic is about unity. So let's start, and I will help you to help and understand that unity is strength. When we are united, we can bring change. So unity not only gives hope, courage, also brings a change. Unity gives motivation. When we work as a team, we are motivated by each other and encouraged to work harder. Simply with motivation and hard work, we can accomplish any goal. Unity represents togetherness and being there for each other like we're all one. Therefore, in unity, everyone stands together for big and small problem, and it creates experience of cooperation and makes atmosphere empowering. A united family always succeed in providing a better environment for their children. Well, unity is truly a strength as our history is evidence of such incidents. It's a true fact when we are united. We may get guidance from others for both personal and professional matters, including the solutions also. If people will not unite, they will become weak and then they will be facing a lot of problems. I think a group of people is better than a person that is alone or weak. In all means, we should always together and we should always help those people who need help. Thank you. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.